Welcome back to Placements Nepal. Here on this channel, I bring you daily updates on job and internship opportunities. I am thrilled to see the positive feedback I have been receiving, but I have noticed that only 20% of our viewers have subscribed so far. To make sure you never miss out on excellent job and internship opportunities, be sure to click that subscribe button. By subscribing, you'll stay well informed and won't miss any valuable update. Join this community today and stay connected with us. Remember, watch till the end of the video so you don't miss any important details. Today, we have an incredible opportunity that you don't want to miss out on. Cobblestone Energy, a leading proprietary trading firm specializing in the wholesale electricity market, is looking for talented Python developers to join their team in Dubai, UAE. Coming to the salary will be starting from 60,000 USD, which is nearly 6.5 lakhs per month in Nepali currency. That also in a zero tax environment. That's right, alongside a competitive remuneration package, Cobblestone Energy offers fast progression for strong performers, allowing you to advance in your career at an accelerated pace. At Cobblestone Energy, you won't just be another developer, you will be a part of exciting mission to build the most advanced European electricity trading and analytics platform. Your work will make a significant impact on the world's economic activities by addressing the mismatch between electricity generation and consumption. As a Python developer at Cobblestone Energy, you'll have the opportunity to showcase your excellent programming and problem-solving skills which develop cutting-edge applications. You'll collaborate with a talented tech team to improve the performance, efficiency, and scalability of their tools. To be successful in this role, you will need a BS or BE in computer science or computer engineering, along with 1 to 2 years of programming experience in Python. Expertise in popular Python frameworks like Django or Flask is also a must. Additionally, front-end technology like HTML5, CSS, and JavaScript will be a part of your skill set. If you are familiar with APIs, web services, and relational databases like MySQL or PostgreSQL, that's a plus. Knowledge of AWS and data visualization tools such as TableView will also give you an edge. But it's not just about the technical skills. Cobblestone Energy values teamwork, strong problem-solving abilities, and resilience. They are looking for independent thinkers with a grow mindset who are passionate, self-motivated, and eager to learn. So, if you are ready for an exciting challenge and want to work in a stimulating and fun environment, alongside remarkably talented colleagues, this is the opportunity for you. Cobblestone Energy also offers an international relocation support and an employee share scheme participation. Coming to the question of how to apply, click on the link that is provided in the description of this video. Then you will come to this interface. Initially, you have to give the your personal information like first name, last name, email, phone number, your resume, cover letter is optional, LinkedIn profile is optional, which country you are applying from, the city or the state you are applying from, the level of the English that you know, highest level of education, and GCSE, O level mathematics grade, A level mathematics grade, and attach A level high school transcript, so you can attach your plus 10 or the latest degree that you have got, that degree, the university name, the university country, and the which degree it is, like computer engineering, right? Click on computer engineering or computer science, and if it is not there, then click on other. Then university grade, how much did you secured, and university degree transcript, how many years of programming experience in Python, Django, Flask experience in front-end technology. Also, it's asking whether you are knowledgeable in APIs and knowledge in relational database, and you can give 100 words explanation why you are good to and fit to this role. You can write yourself or you can take the help of internet and ChatGPT. Same here, you can tell if you have achieved anything in your academic, non-academic areas, and you can click here like LinkedIn, social media, where do you learn about this opportunity, and it's asking whether you want to relocate to the UAE or not. So Don't miss out this chance to be a part of Cobblestone Energy success story. Subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell button to stay updated with the latest job and internship opportunities. Thank you for joining us today. Stay tuned for more exciting job updates from Placements Nepal. Remember, your dream job could be just a click away. Until next time,